this video, we chart our meals that we cook over 5 days that we're away, or 5 evenings that we're away. Some meals will use freshly prepared food, some meals will be leftovers, some meals will be pre-packed food, pre-cooked food that we just heat up. There'll be a few packets, there will be a few tins. The first meal is prawn stir fry.
So, cook, when are you going to get going?
Right now. Hey, a little bit of oil, which we had to warm up because it had got so cold in the van that it solidified. Just a little drop. And then the bit that takes forever. Let the oil heat. We'll also be showing how to use different bits of cooking equipment tonight as to what we found it quite a handy thing to have in the van. None of these meals are expensive either. Most expensive thing in this one is the prawns. We've got 2 different stir fries. We've got a vegetable and we've got a mushroom in this one. To give it a little bit extra flavour, we've got a sweet and sour sauce as well, just to add to it. Take long for the oil to heat up. Seems a lot in the pan, but obviously it breaks down nicely, so always handier to be parked on the flat when you're doing this, which we are tonight. Come back in a minute. This is now reduced down. Gives us plenty more room in the pan. Next we add the sweet and sour sauce. Again, nice and cheap. Aldi is 29p. Just needs to heat through slightly. Make sure you get every last drop out. We like our money's worth. Stir it in. Sometimes at this stage we add pepper. I don't think we need to tonight. Unless you want to? No, that's fine. That'll only take a couple of minutes, you can already smell it. So now some people like their stir fries to be crispy. We prefer them to be a little soggier. Personal choice. You're filming this bit, you know what I'm like opening packets like this, so there we go. Lastly, we have the prawns. You want to take a couple of minutes again to just stir in. Just get a bit of a flavour of the sweet and sour onto them. They're already pre-cooked prawns, so it's only a case of stirring them in, getting the flavour onto them. And that's it, it's done, ready for serving. And we're not eating much today, so we're ready for this, aren't we?
We are.
And we do have some very interested commie chefs.
Waiting for any drips.
Pardon?
That wasn't my stomach.
Your stomach's much worse than that. Ready to eat. Nice and simple, nice and quick. So you want me to try it first, do you?
Of course.
You don't trust me?
No. If you don't like it, I'm sure somebody would try it.
My compliments to the chef.
So your verdict? Even though you did cook it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
And it's still a little bit crunchy.
It was very nice, yes.
Is that it?
And
perfect. So
proof is in the empty plates, I suppose.
nothing left for the 4-pack.
No. So
Sorry, dogs.
that's
Not
day
tonight.
one.
Day one. Come back for day 2. And it's windy and raining hard outside. So you need a nice stodgy pudding, don't you? Syrup cake and custard.